How to draw a polygon in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to draw a polygon in AutoCAD. The polygon is a closed polyline that has equal sides and angles. You can draw polygons with different numbers of sides, such as triangles, squares, pentagons, and hexagons. Click the Home tab. Draw panel. Then Polygon command. Or you can type POL on the command line and press Enter. Enter the number of sides for your polygon. For example, if you want to draw a hexagon, enter 6 and press Enter. Specify the center point or the starting point for your polygon. You can click on the screen or enter the coordinates on the command line. Do one of the following. Enter I to specify a polygon inscribed within a circle. This means that the vertices of the polygon will touch the circle. Or, enter C to specify a polygon circumscribed about a circle. This means that the sides of the polygon will touch the circle. Finally, enter the radius length for the circle. You can enter a value on the command line or drag the cursor on the screen to adjust the size of the polygon.